YouTube has become an incredible platform for influencers and child product reviewers. The 2020 YouTube League tells us several children have been pocketing three-figure sums for each video they produce, attracting tens of millions of followers in the process. The number of child influencers found on YouTube is only set to grow over time as the market becomes increasingly lucrative and kids spend more and more time using the platform via internet, connected TVs and other devices like tablets. Let's take a look at 10 of the highest paid child YouTubers of 2020 so far right now. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Like Nastya. Like Nastya is an unlikely media star. Born in southern Russia with cerebral palsy, her doctors feared she would never be able to speak. To document her development through treatments, her parents posted videos of her on YouTube so friends and relatives could see the progress. And who knew that channel would become a blast and she would reach approximately 74 million subscribers today. Sounds unbelievable at just 5 years of age. I don't think so she need to worry about her school or college or future or anything at all now. The videos are typical kid stuff, playdates with dad, jumping around on an inflatable castle and playing with her cat, each video accompanied by catchy jingles and voiceover giggles. Her biggest hit was a 2018 trip to the petting zoo with her father Yuri that featured the two dancing to child favorite Baby Shark, milking a pretend cow and eating ice cream. That video has garnered 767 million views. Anastasia, who goes by Nastya, now has 107 million subscribers across her 7 channels who have watched her videos 42 billion times. She is number 3 on the Forbes top earning YouTube stars ranking for 2019, and I think that sounds like enough to me. Number 9. Vlad and Nikita. The Russian-American brothers have made quite the splash on the streaming platform since launching their presence in 2018, posting videos across 16 channels translated into 13 languages that explore preschool-focused topics like make-believe, science experiments, storytelling, and more. Their popular channel, the English version of which has a whopping 56.5 million plus subscribers, and it started as a family hobby, a pastime which has Vlad and Nikita pulling an astounding $64 million in total earnings. Vlad and Nikki might be your child's new favorite YouTube stars. As of May 7, 2021, their main channel has 67 million subscribers and over 48 billion views, making it the 10th most subscribed YouTube channel in the world. Estimated yearly earnings of Vlad and Nikita are $2.3 million to $37.3 million. In 2019, they were judged to be the YouTubers making the most money per video with an estimated $312,000 per video. I mean, these brothers are already multi-millionaires. I don't know what to say. Number 8. Jojo Siva. Whether you are a fan of Jojo Siva or not, you have to admit that her career is pretty impressive. At just 17 years old, the blonde beauty has starred on Dance Moms, released a successful line of hair bows, dropped some of her own makeup products, landed her own animated series on Nickelodeon, made a name for herself on YouTube, released a bunch of epic songs, and if this is just not enough, she has even embarked on her very own tour. So where does it all come from? Well, Jojo has roughly 11 million subscribers on her YouTube account, and get this you guys, it was estimated back in 2019 that Jojo makes around $9,600 per day from her YouTube account alone. That translates to $3.5 million yearly, all from ads in her videos. Consider us shook. Yeah, it's safe to say that the star has accomplished a lot. Number 7. Kyle Gierzdorf. Kyle Gierzdorf, who goes by his gamer tag Booga, has won $3 million at the inaugural Fortnite World Cup. That's a lot of money for one afternoon's work. Obviously, Gierzdorf had logged plenty of practice hours and established himself as one of the top players in the world. But doesn't this motivate most of us to quit everything we're doing in life and just start a YouTube channel on gaming and live streaming? Okay, if this doesn't sound enough, then let's talk about some numbers. As of today, Booga's net worth can be estimated to be $4 million, if not more. This has been growing at a steady rate ever since Booga's success at Fortnite tournaments. Booga's YouTube channel has over 3 million subscribers. His channel has accumulated over 80 million views in total, with an average of 150,000 daily views. His channel generates $2 million a year. You guys should comment down below if you are still not motivated to start a gaming channel. We will give you something else. Number 6. EventTube HD. 13-year-old Evan's entire family lives and breathes YouTube. Together he, his mother Elisa, his father Jared, and his 11-year-old sister Jillian manage 5 channels: their flagship EventTube HD, JillianTube HD, EventTube Gaming, Jared's channel DT Sings, and their shared channel The Tube Family. The strategy making started in 2011 with the launch of EventTube HD. This channel's first videos featuring both Evan and Jillian are catnip for kids. Things like toy unboxings and detailed recordings of popular character rides at Disneyland. It was so catnipy, in fact, that it inspired one of YouTube's biggest toy-focused creators, Ryan Kaji, to start his own channel. Evan is among the richest kids on the planet, who is pocketing more than $1 million every year. Certainly, he made his parents relaxed from all the worries they had for the higher education of their children. Number 5. Tiana Wilson. In this hell of a lockdown where some of us are trying to get started with at least one successful YouTube channel, Tiana Wilson here has got 2 of them. Tiana Wilson is a young female YouTuber from the United Kingdom whose 2 YouTube channels called Tiana and Tiana Wilson have videos of toy reviews and toy unboxing, vlogs, pranks, and challenge videos. And you don't even have to guess anymore why her 2 top videos are about slime. Cut to the chase, she has an estimated net worth of $10 million. Tiana has over 11.5 million subscribers as of 2020 and has accumulated over 3 billion views so far. It is able to get an average of 500,000 views per day from different sources. This should generate an estimated revenue of around $2,500 per day, whilst her second channel, Tiana Wilson, has over 5.6 million subscribers and has over 1.3 billion views so far. It is able to get an average of 580,000 views per day, and this should generate $2,900 per day. And no more comments. Number 4. Maria Clara and JP. This is again a sibling channel, and this time it is from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. 7-year-old Maria Clara and 10-year-old JP are the stars of the channel. It has attracted 23.2 million subscribers. So just like we have told you insane amounts of cash these children are making, you must be wondering, what is Maria Clara and JP's net worth? Or you could be asking, how much does Maria Clara and JP earn? We can never know the exact amount, but here is a close forecast. Maria Clara and JP has an estimated net worth of about $94.18 million. Maria Clara and JP earns an estimated $23.55 million a year. The YouTube channel gets more than 392 million views each month. The siblings post videos about games and challenges on their Portuguese language channel, even though the videos aren't any different from what other children post, but since the paychecks are coming in with crazy number written on them, everything made it worthwhile. Number 3. FaZe Jarvis. 19-year-old Jarvis Culture, better known online as FaZe Jarvis, is an English YouTuber, Twitch streamer and a member of gaming organization FaZe Clan. Jarvis is known for his gaming videos, challenges and real-life content that he uploads on his YouTube channel. In late 2019, Jarvis uploaded a video to his channel showing him aimbotting players in the game Fortnite. The developer team of the game, known as Epic Games, took quick action and banned Jarvis from Fortnite permanently. Then on November 2019, Jarvis came out with a response or apology video on this move, stating that Fortnite had made a huge impact on his life and he didn't even know the consequences or what was going to occur as a result when showing himself cheat. Despite all the facade, with over 2.2 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, Jarvis, he is one of the most popular YouTube stars in the gaming genre. As of July 2020, FaZe Jarvis's worth is estimated to be in $2 million ballpark. It could have been a bigger number, but this is as huge as others. Number 2. Sis vs Bro. The idea behind this channel is so simple. I mean, name such siblings who never fight or play dumb challenges or at least doesn't know each other, and these guys are making money out of it. Sis vs Bro is a kid-friendly YouTube channel that features two Canadian siblings by the name Karina and Ronald. They have an estimated net worth of $28 million. Their content mainly challenge videos, gaming, vlogs, skits, etc. The channel has over 15 million subscribers as of 2021 and has accumulated over 7 billion views so far. This should generate estimated revenue of around $16,000 per day. They not only have their main channel but have raked in profits from Ronald OMG and Gamer Girl, both of which represent topics based on online gaming, a popular subject that has taken the internet by storm in recent years. Since the kids got the family going at such a young age, they would retire even before high school, and well, their parents don't need to work anymore. Number 1. Ryan's World. Unboxing new toys brings immense joy to kids, but for 9-year-old YouTuber Ryan Kaji, it also means business and fortune. Ryan Kaji is the OG of this list, and you will know why in a few seconds. Welcome to Ryan's World. Ryan loves doing lots of fun things like pretend plays, science experiments, music videos, skits, challenges, DIY arts and crafts and more. Read the description of Ryan Kaji's YouTube channel, Ryan's World. As simple as the About Me section of Ryan's channel reads, his revenue collection from YouTube is no child's play. With over 46 billion views and 29.6 million subscribers, the 9-year-old has emerged as the highest paid YouTuber star. His earnings? $29.5 million, which roughly translates to INR 220 crore. PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, who? The report by Forbes also notes that this is the third time in a row that Ryan has secured the #1 spot on the highest paid YouTubers in the world. The little guy now has a line of branded merchandise, toys, backpacks, toothpaste, more at Target, Amazon and Walmart that did $200 million in sales last year, and a Nickelodeon series called Ryan's Mystery Playdate. The fact that 2020 has witnessed coronavirus pandemic that pushed humans indoors, YouTube channels like Ryan's kept everyone entertained. And that would be all. Let's end this one here before it gets any creepier. If you think you enjoyed, do press the like button. In case you want to continue watching videos like these, go to our YouTube channel. Have some fun, guys. Make sure to drop some comments and tell us how you like the channel. We are signing off now. Keep vibing.